In this video, we'll share the top 14 things to do in Key Largo. Before we get into the first thing to do, make sure you check out the links in the description, where you can find discounts on activities and things to do. And if you're looking to fly first class for free on your next flight, check out travelsecrets.guide, where you can find our 100% free guide on how we flew for free to over 62 countries in first class. Now, back to the video. At number 1, we have taking a glass-bottom boat ride. This popular activity allows visitors to observe the vibrant marine life and coral reefs of the Florida Keys without getting wet. These tours typically last around 2 hours and offer a unique perspective of the underwater world, making it suitable for all ages and swimming abilities. At number 2, we have Dagny Johnson Key Largo Hammock Botanical State Park. This park preserves one of the largest tracts of West Indian tropical hardwood hammock in the United States. Visitors can explore 6 miles of nature trails, observe diverse plant and animal species, and learn about the area's unique ecosystem. At number 3, we have spending the day with dolphins. Key Largo offers several opportunities to interact with these intelligent marine mammals, including dolphin watching tours and even swim with dolphin experiences. These encounters provide a chance to learn about dolphin behavior and conservation efforts while creating unforgettable memories. At number 4, we have Harry Harris Park and Beach. This local park offers a small, protected beach area perfect for families with young children. Visitors can enjoy swimming, picnicking, and various recreational facilities, making it an ideal spot for a relaxing day by the water. At number 5, we have John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. As the first undersea park in the United States, this park is renowned for its spectacular coral reefs and diverse marine life. Walk or kayak through the mangroves, take a boat tour, go fishing, or explore the park's underwater wonders. At number 6, we have the Florida Keys Wild Bird Center. This rehabilitation center provides care for injured birds and offers visitors a chance to observe native and migratory bird species up close. The center features nature trails and educational programs, making it an excellent destination for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers. At number 7, we have the Florida Keys Overseas Heritage Trail. This 106-mile trail system connects the Florida Keys, offering opportunities for cycling, walking, and running while enjoying scenic ocean views. The trail passes through various parks and historic sites, providing a unique way to explore the Keys. At number 8, we have Watersports. Key Largo offers a wide range of water activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, jet skiing, and parasailing. These activities allow visitors to experience the area's beautiful waters and marine life in exciting and adventurous ways. At number 9, we have Robbie's of Islamorada. This popular attraction is a must-visit where you can hand-feed tarpon from the dock and enjoy various water activities. The site also features an open-air market, restaurant, and shops. At number 10, we have the Everglades National Park. This vast wilderness area is worth the short trip from Key Largo. It's home to diverse ecosystems and wildlife, including alligators, manatees, and numerous bird species. Visitors can explore the park through guided tours, hiking trails, and boat rides, experiencing the unique beauty of the River of Grass. At number 11, we have the History of Diving Museum. This unique museum just south of Key Largo showcases the evolution of diving equipment and techniques through interactive exhibits and artifacts. Visitors can learn about the rich history of underwater exploration and the role of diving in scientific research. At number 12, we have Theater of the Sea. Located in nearby Islamorada, this marine mammal park offers shows and interactive experiences with dolphins, sea lions, and other marine animals. Visitors can enjoy educational presentations, swim with dolphins, and even paint with sea lions. At number 13, we have Exploring the Underwater World. Key Largo is renowned for its excellent snorkeling and scuba diving opportunities, with numerous dive sites including coral reefs and shipwrecks. Take a tour to explore the USS Spiegel Grove wreck, Christ of the Deep, and the Grecian Rocks. At number 14, we have Windley Key Fossil Reef Geological State Park. This park features exposed coral reef rock, offering visitors a glimpse into the area's geological history. Visitors can explore nature trails, view quarry walls, and learn about the fossilized coral and the quarrying industry that once thrived in the area. So that sums up my top 14 things to do in Key Largo. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.